What if we told you the future of business is not about following trends, but it is about creating them? At CGC Mohali, we don't just teach you to think outside the box, we teach you to reinvent it. At CGC Mohali, your MBA journey is not just about earning a degree, it is about preparing to revolutionize the business world. Our cutting-edge MBA programs go beyond the classroom, equipping you with the skills to become a true business innovator. Choose from specialized courses that are ahead of the curve: MBA Marketing, MBA Finance, MBA Human Resource Management, MBA Digital Marketing, MBA Operations Management, MBA Business Analytics, and MBA FinTech. What makes us unique? At CGC Mohali, we offer hands-on experience with live industry projects, mentoring from top industry leaders, and unmatched global exposure through international partnerships. Our students don't just learn theory, they apply it. With state-of-the-art labs, workshops, and real-time case studies, we provide a platform for you to excel. Our MBA graduates have been placed at leading companies like CINCOONI, Campalin Innovations, Consult Ad Services Private Limited, and Learning Roots Private Limited, setting benchmarks of success in their respective fields. After completing your MBA with us, you will have the tools to step into dynamic roles like brand manager, business analyst, financial analyst, public relations manager, and advertising manager. Are you ready to disrupt the industry, lead with innovation, and take charge of your future? Take the step at CGC Mohali, where your MBA is not just a degree, it is a gateway to success.